It is hard to believe that fall is almost upon us. And I'm excited about it because it's my favorite season of the year, no doubt about it. And when I think of fall, I think of corn mazes and I think of pumpkin patches. And you know what? If you combine those things together, you got pumpkin cornbread. I'll show you how to make it. Bowl, 1 cup flour, 3/4 cup yellow cornmeal, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and combine. Grab another bowl. 1/2 cup sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 eggs. And now you just whisk that together, pour into dry ingredients, and stir until combined. I'm going to pour that into a 9x9 that's been prepared. I'm going to cook this at 350 for 25 minutes. It's all cooked. It actually took closer to 35 minutes. Here we go. Wonderful combo and extremely comforting. And speaking of comfort, this video is part of a collaboration hosted by Christie's Farmhouse and I'm Merely Melissa, celebrating fall comfort foods. Check my description and you'll see a playlist of all the videos. I tried starting an online bakery, but I accidentally deleted all my cookies.